Alright guys, so this is my Shades by Gal medium neutral concealer, and you guys know I love using this as a base, like a shadow base. So next I'm going in with this color, and this palette is from Fontana Pharmacy. You guys know about this palette, man. This palette, I have not used it in a while, and I thought for these last few tutorials of my 30 days of September series, why not use it? And it's completely drugstore. Everything I'm using is drugstore in this tutorial. Next I'm going to be going in with this pink, and I'm going to lay it right beside the yellow. I didn't like how the yellow come out when I was taking my pictures. It wasn't looking as fluid as how it looked, but I guess. Next I'm going in with this purple, and I'll be going in with I think 2 other purples, because this purple was coming out. So here I'm going for another purple, and you guys will see what the color purples I used in the next clip. But I went in with 2 other purples, this one, and then I went in with a deeper one, this one right here, and I decided to just stay with the deeper one. I should have just went in with this one in the first place. So these are the color purples that I used. I used this one first, and then I use this one second, and then I use this one third. So next I'm going in with this burgundy reddish color, and I'm taking that right in my crease. The aim of this look, as with most of my tutorials, is to get one look from one palette. I mean, I'd have to be greedy to want another palette besides this one, because this has everything: mattes, neutrals, bold colors, everything is in there. So I'm taking this light pink, and I'm going right above where I put that red, and I wanted a blown out effect. So I wanted kind of like a smoky effect, moving from light to dark. So that's why that pink is up there. Then I'll be using this blue, and I'll be putting this in my crease. So this color is going in my crease. I will not be adding any black whatsoever in this tutorial. I wanted this color to just be colorful and bright. Also, I won't be adding any lashes, okay? Like, I shocked myself not wearing any lashes. Then I'll be going with this lighter blue, and I'll be putting it on top of the dark blue, again just to get a blown out effect and to just add some more color in that area of my eyes. And I love to add color in that area of my eyes, so I decided to add the lighter blue instead of a dark blue, because as I said, I wanted it to be colorful. To add in a darker blue in that area would kind of close up my eyes, and I didn't want that. I didn't want it to be dark. Then I'm going with my BH Cosmetics fluffy brush. You guys know this is Bay, and whatever product is on the brush, I'm just using it to blend out the edges of my brow bone color, which is non-existent, and my crease color. Most of the colors above my creases I'm using it for. Then I'm going in with the same brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply this color, I believe, in the area that I normally apply where there's void of color, just to add some lightness. Right, I'm putting it right above where I put the light blue to add some, what can I say? I mean, the blue is okay, but you know, pink and blue makes purple, so I wanted kind of a light hint of purple, so that's why I'm putting the pink there. So everything is kind of in the purple family, but not really. It's still kind of colorful, so that's where I placed that color there. Next I'm going in with my Anco pencil, and this is in the color black, and this is what I'll be using for my lash line as well as my waterline. So I'm going in back in the palette, and I'm taking this dark green, and I'm putting that on the outside, and I'll be doing 2 greens for this lower lash line because I wanted to add some more color to this look. I mean, this look would be banging with some spiky bottom lashes and some really full top lashes, but I didn't want that. I wanted the eyes to just be bam in your face, and the truth is I wanted to test if I could do a look without lashes, and I did it. But it had to be colorful, because I wasn't about to do no neutral look with no lashes, bro. Without no lashes, rather. So this green, you see how it has like an iridescence in it? Loved it. And bam, foundation is on. Foundation I use is Black Opal, of course, as usual. Then I'm using my Mary Kay mascara for my lashes. And for my lips, I'm taking Sunset Chic by LA Girls, and it's their matte lippie. Then for my, what do you call it now, lip liner, I'll be taking Smooth Plum, again by LA Colors. And this is the look. Yes, honey. This is what. Is this day 28 or no? Day 28 or no? Let me know, bubbles. Let me know. I think it's day 28. But guys, again, thank you so much for your support. It truly, truly means a lot to me. Oh, I'll be going with Black Opal's crap. I'll have that linked in the description bar below. What blush I'm going in with, and I did not do any glow today, just this blush, and I absolutely love it, you guys. You guys really mean a lot to me. I appreciate you, and thank you for staying with me during this series.
Real skinny, loud color tennies, body marked up like graffiti. I don't push a Maserati, Beamer, Benz, or Bentley. And yeah, I wrote a foreign, and this I'm looking spiffy. Hey, go ahead and doubt us, but what you know about us? And we ain't gotta follow, then we took another route. No, we ain't blowing trees, bro. Open up my window. I see you popping tags, but you know that's why your in's low. I tried to tell them we was coming down, let us in. Why they hating?